I know, math can get pretty confusing sometimes with all the different numbers, symbols, and signs and stuff. But I'm going to try to make it a little easier today and show you how to solve an inequality equation. So, the equation I'm using today is Elizabeth has at most $60 to spend on school supplies. She wants to buy a pack of 100 pens for $22 and spend the rest on notebooks. Notebooks cost $8 each. Solve for E. And for this equation, E equals the number of notebooks. So the question is, how many notebooks can she buy if notebooks are $8 each with her remaining amounts of money? The first step is to subtract both sides by 22. And then after that, I recommend dividing the two sides so you don't get confused. And 22 minus 22 equals 0. So you're just going to drop down the A to E. And then you're also going to want to drop down the symbol, which is greater than or equal to. And 60 minus 22 equals 38. And then after this, you're going to divide both sides by 8. And this is because you want to get the amounts of E by itself. So you're going to divide 8 divided by E. And what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So after this, it will give you the answer, which is 8 is equal to 38 over 8, or 4.5. But since you can't buy 4.5 notebooks, we're going to oversimplify this into 4 notebooks. And that's how you solve it. I will read the simplification of each question and its answer. What is logic? Logic is reasoning conducted or assessed according to strict principles of validity. How to solve an inequality? Many simple inequalities can be solved by adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing both sides until you're left with one variable on its own. What are non-math types of logical structures? Rather than using words, algebra uses symbols to make statements about things. What does simplification cost, if any, in terms of accuracy? It does cost more time, but it also gives you the most accurate answer possible.